and then we're going to walk up here again.
I know, right?
Didn't I be videoing us?
Of course I am.
Yes.
I've
got this.
That's a hectic driveway.
Yeah.
That's pretty special.
Oh yeah.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good. Nice to see you. Yay.
Last time we were here, there's a couple of guys with that ropes rounding up the up to the left.
Come on, Charlie, keep up. Hi, Charlie. Safety fence. Merging lane.
We had to go with that.
Oh, the star of the show avoided the camera. Star of the show avoided the camera. They say the cameraman never dies, but he does get left behind.
I know, I was like, no, you're officially the back here, so I'm the back. Holding me down. Thank you.
Jump, Paula, jump.
The first quarry, there's a little path off to the left that you can't. There's a loop around there.
Been there.
And then you can loop right around the back there and do a aim study. You have to go over the other way.
Not a friend's dog.
Yeah, come back. Don't come back. What a poser you are.
The standing, sitting, the whole length of the stone.
Was this you doing all the donuts?
Yeah, that's right.